Hi, let me introduce you our new rim straightening machines equipped with defect detection and location system. This unique system can be added onto all of our models. The system consists of two parts. The first part is the laser beam. It is supported by a magnetic holder, so you can put it anywhere you want to work well. Second part is the PLC system. The value is received from the DDL process, and it is stopped away at the worst affected parts. Let's see how it works. First, laser on, and then scan. So it is scanning. It stopped at the most affected parts of the rim, and the reading says minus 2.4. That means it is inside 2.4 millimeter.